In this tutorial, I am going to teach you in-order tree traversal. Traversal of a tree is a systematic way of visiting the nodes in a tree. In in-order tree traversal, first we traverse the left subtree, then visit the root node and then traverse the right subtree. That means in-order tree traversal can be broken down into 3 steps. First, traverse the left subtree, then visit the node and finally traverse the right subtree. Here we use the tree from pre-ordered video so you can see how in-order traversal differs. For each node, I list down the steps so you can easily follow the process. When we visit the node, we will simply print it, and when we complete any step of the list for any node, we mark it with a cross sign. Let's start at the top with A. First we traverse its left subtree. Reaching B, we also traverse its left subtree. Now at D, we attempt to traverse its left again. Since it has no left child, we cross mark left from the list and stay on D and print it and traverse its right subtree. Reaching H, we attempt to traverse it left. Since it has no left child, we cross mark left from the list and print its value and try to traverse its right, which is also empty, so we cross mark right from the list and move back to D. Back on D, we find all steps are completed for this node, so we hit back to B and print it. Now we are ready to traverse its right. Reaching E, we attempt to traverse its left. Since it has no left child, we simply cross mark left from the list and stay on E and print it and find it has no right child, so we cross mark right from the list and back to B. We finished with S left subtree. Let's back to A and print it. Now we are ready to traverse its right subtree. I hope by now you see and understand the process, so all the rest part of the video play without voiceover.